Begin by gently closing your eyes. Allow your breath to slow. Inhale through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth like you're blowing out a candle. Let your body settle. Let your mind begin to quiet and bring your awareness into the center of your heart. There is a presence within you, steady, aware, choosing. Your divine director, not separate from you, but the deeper intelligence within you, the part of you that directs your energy, your attention, your intention. Take a breath and connect with that. Now imagine a world where there is nothing to divide us. No separation, only connection, only shared being. You may gently sense the possibility to imagine all the people living life in peace. Let this idea soften into your awareness. A brotherhood, sisterhood of humankind. Now bring your focus back to your heart. Feel a light there, steady and calm. A presence of peace, of love, of knowing. And from this place, as the divine director of your life, set a clear and simple intention. Peace within me. Peace around me. Peace across this world. Now expand your awareness. Thousands of us. Millions of us. Billions of us. Holding peace and love in our hearts. Minute by minute, hour by hour, day by day, week by week, and month by month, we are shifting consciousness together. We are holding the intention, the love, and all of the others joining in with us, calling out to each other, heart to heart, soul to soul, aligning with love, with intention, with peace, with harmony. Feel your connection like a quiet train of love moving across the planet. From one heart to another. a remembering, a rejoining. Now I'd like you to remember a time in your life where you held so much love in your heart, perhaps holding a precious baby in your arms, feeling the loving connection from your heart to theirs. Allow yourself to feel that feeling again. Hold that same love, that same feeling in your heart toward humanity as a collective. Your family, your friends, your neighbors, those you have never met, those who help to put food on your table, clothes on your body, and all those who work in their own way, adding to your life, unseen, unnoticed. Send love to them. And now, bring to mind even those who may have caused you pain, without resistance, without reopening the wound. Simply acknowledge and send love to them as well. Unhook yourself from any energy of disharmony anywhere in your body, mind, or spirit. Allow peace, harmony, connection to fill your entire beingness. Now, stretch your love even further. Feel it rising, expanding across the planet, from person to person, heart to heart. And now feel the love flowing back to you from all those joining in this intention with you. You may sense it as a shared movement, a rising together. People everywhere coming on board the love train, joining in a collective field of awareness. A moment of love that includes all. No one left out. All are welcome. Rest in that. And now, from your divine director, gently affirm, I choose love. I choose peace. I align with unity. I contribute to the awakening of consciousness. Feel the truth of that within you. the energy of peace to stabilize, to anchor, to become part of your natural state. And know this quietly as we hold this intention together. The world responds. Peace, love, joy, happiness, spreading around the world, heart to heart and soul to soul, until all that can exist is pure love, peace, harmony, and joy. Imagine all the people of the world living life in peace. And when you are ready, gently bring your awareness back and open your eyes.